Hi, I'm Jarrett from Stone Soup Farm, and this is raised bed gardening tips. Raised beds are relatively important for good vegetable gardening because of several advantages that the bed system gives to the soil. The tilth of the soil, or the fluffiness, is one of the most important things in determining how big and strong the plant can grow. The looser the better. The roots really want to be growing through nice loose soil like this that has been recently stirred up and tilled. By making a raised bed, you're adding soil to the surface that is loosened up by putting it there, and you're also creating for yourself a lane to walk in so that you are limiting your compaction to that lane. Another thing that is good about raised beds is that they provide a good shelter against flooding when it rains really hard. The rain will seep in. Since it's nice and fluffy still, it's going to come in very easily, and it is not going to sit in the bed. It's more going to drain into the aisles where it's not going to hurt the plants as much. In order to make a good raised bed, you want it to be as level as possible. That way you're not incurring runoff off the side of the bed, which will lead to erosion. So you can kind of sculpt your bed like this. It's good to have a nice clean edge. The edge will erode to some degree throughout the season, but you can upkeep it with a rake pretty easily every now and then. Raised bed makes it a lot easier to plant in, and is better for the plants all around. I'm Jarrett of Stone Soup Farm, and those are my raised bed gardening tips.